I've been in a little bit of a slump. Is the state of my room right now. My literal covers aren't even on my bed. This is the only place in my entire room that I can find to put y'all while y'all watch me clean. So first we're gonna put up clothes. Actually, no we're not. First we're gonna switch my bed covers. So let me put y'all over there. Okay, let's declothe my bed even more than it already is. I just pulled so much stuff out of the crevice of my bed. Okay, we are now going to tackle the mountain of clothes that I have. We're going to organize them into piles on my bed. Okay, now that that's all organized, I'm going to put it all on hangers and we're going to talk. I graduate in 5 weeks. I think 6 weeks. I get out of school in 5 weeks. Like, I'm done. In 5 weeks, I'm done. No more school. What? There was something that, like, I really wanted to talk about because I've been wanting to get home and make this video all day. Like, that's literally all I've been talking about. I want to get home and make my YouTube video because I haven't posted in so long and I need to post something. So if this is not good, it's getting posted anyways. So I'm sorry if it's not good, y'all. I remembered what I was going to talk about. I was literally just going to talk about how badly I yearn to just go leave right now and travel the world. Like, I want to go everywhere. But, like, girl, I don't have the money for that. Did I even tell you guys what this vlog really is? Basically, this is just getting everything back together because I've been in such a slump and felt like my stuff wasn't... What is going on here? Wasn't good enough to post. Like, I've made so many videos since December, which December is the last time I actually posted, but I've made like a good 10 videos since December and deleted them all because I just thought they weren't good enough. So I've been struggling a little bit with thinking that my content is good enough to actually put out there, but I realized I need to leave that up to other people and not me, because people like watching my stuff whether I like watching it or not. I don't like watching it because it's me. That's the reason I haven't been posting, really. I've been really wanting to get back into it because I love posting on YouTube. It's so much fun. I love making little vlogs and ranting to you guys about literally nothing. Hello. I don't have anything else to yap about right now. I had so many things that I wanted to yap about. I should have wrote it down or something because, like, I want to talk. I want to talk to you guys, but whatever. We're just gonna continue hanging up all these clothes and then eventually put them in the closet, which actually I have 3 more things to put on a hanger and then we're gonna put it in the closet. So I'll be right back whenever we're putting that up. I can't believe I'm graduating in a month. I literally have 5 weeks left. I'm sorry that I keep saying that, guys. But I don't think I will stop saying that until I actually graduate. And then whenever I graduate, it's going to be, oh, I can't believe that I just graduated. The time went by so fast. So fast. And, like, I'm glad to be gone. Don't get me wrong. I'm glad to be out of there. But, oh my gosh. I would do anything to, like... I don't know what I'm trying to say to you guys right now, honestly. So, just clean with me. See, I want to talk. I don't want to be boring. I miss my friends. I want them to come over. And I wish I had more friends, honestly. This is not mine. This might be twins. Another thing I wish I would have experienced more throughout my high school years is having more friends, because I'm not someone who's ever had a ton of friends. I usually have like one friend that I'm really close to, and then when that fades out, I have one friend that I'm really close to. So me and Cammie have been friends since I moved to the school that I'm going to now. So we've been friends for years now. That girl's my best friend, bro. I'm so excited for, like, just to be done with school and start my life. Like, I don't know if that makes sense because I probably won't do anything immediately whenever I leave. Like, I'm not moving out immediately. I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Even though I do know what I want to do with my career. I want to start a fashion line. I came up with the name and I came up with the logo. My mom said that we're gonna try and get me a sketchbook so that I can sketch out all my ideas because my fashion line is not only gonna be clothes, y'all. But I can't tell you what because somebody might steal my ideas. But I'm so excited for that. And like just all the opportunities ahead of me that I don't know about yet. I don't know. I'm just excited for life. Honestly, I have a bunch of clothes that I want to upcycle. I'm gonna turn. My aunt gave me these pants. They're like baggy though, and I was like, wait, these would maybe be some cute little shorts. So I'm gonna turn them into shorts first, and then casually. That's not the word. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but work my way up to the length. I almost said size, the length that I want them, because I feel like those could be some cute little shorts. And I'm gonna like, I don't know, y'all will see because that's also another thing that I'm gonna do later so that I can just get all this stuff out of my way and not have huge piles of stuff all over my room because it looks a disaster. I feel like I'm not interesting. Like, I feel like I just sit here and talk about nothing. I don't know. See, that's the problem. Like, that's why I delete all my videos. I hope I post this. I really hope I do. Because I've been wanting to post for so long. I miss posting on YouTube. I just love vlogging. I love making stuff for people to watch. Because the people who do watch obviously find me entertaining, or I'd hope they wouldn't be watching me if they didn't find me entertaining. Because this is not how I wore my hair to school today, but I think it will be how I wear my hair to school tomorrow. There is a hair in my eyeball. Where's it at? I feel it. But I don't. Hello? I came home to this sitting on my bed. What do I do now? I like, for the most part, have everything clean. For the most part. But what I do with all of it is the issue. Okay, so I do have shoes that can be put back in my closet. That's a good start. To show you how cute. My aunt gave me these because she's the best. She also gave me these. Stuff these back here. There is no rhyme or reason for the way this stuff goes in my shoe bucket. I thrifted. Well, my sister was gonna get these and then she put them back and I was like, no, give me those. Look at how cute they are. I think I'm gonna pick up everything else and then y'all are just gonna be productive with me for the rest of the day. I'm hiding my toes, but I got my room clean. Obviously, like, I literally have nowhere I can put those. This is all the clothes I'm gonna upcycle. I need to sweep. Those are for my mom. Here's my trash bag that I actually need to take out right now. And then homework for later after I eat. And then everything is done. Room is all clean, so I'm gonna go make me some food, or we're gonna go see what's in there. I'll probably most likely end up eating pizza rolls, because who doesn't love pizza rolls? I love them. They're so bomb. They're so bomb. Talking about them is making my mouth water. Let's go make some pizza rolls. I know y'all are thinking that these are all for me, but joke's on you, they're not. While the pizza rolls are cooking, we're getting some ice cream. Okay, hey guys, it took me like an hour and a half to eat. Like, I was actually eating that whole time. And, so this little girl was snooping around in my kitchen saying that she needed some food. So she, like, decided that she needed to come hang out too. I've never met this girl in my life.
Hi, bro.
I've never met this girl in my life. Like, bro snuck into my house to get some food.
What about food?
Yeah, I hope it's good. I wanted those. Okay, this is my setup for homework. This is the school realm, and then I'm gonna play a show in the background. Bell ringers, different class bell ringers. I gotta cut out my school pictures and put it on this for my time capsule, and then serve safe. Okay, homework is done. Did all my bell ringers. I actually think I skipped a few, but that's okay. So now we're gonna watch YouTube, or I'm gonna watch like those travel vlogs that I've been watching and upcycle some clothes, so y'all are gonna come with me. Okay, I think I'm gonna show y'all a before and after of all these clothes. Like, I'm gonna try it on, show you what it looks like on before, and then show you what it looks like on after. Yeah, I plan on just making this a little bit shorter. Like, not a lot at all. I just don't like the length of it. This is at a length that I would actually wear it now. We're gonna make them into shorts. I'm not sure if they would be cute as shorts, but we're gonna see. These are really cute as shorts. Okay, so I'm actually not gonna be trying on the shirts for you guys. Sorry, but I'm lazy. So I'll show y'all them, and then I'll show y'all after, which I probably still won't try them on after, but I'll show y'all. I cropped 2 of my shirts. This one and this one are now cropped. They were really long because they're too big, but I did that and I give up on upcycling for right now because I'm tired of cutting stuff up. So we're done with upcycling clothes right now, and I think I'm just gonna lay down and watch YouTube, or maybe I'll read because I've been needing to read my book. But also Exo Kitty is calling my name. I've been watching the new season. I'm only on episode 2, but guys, I just made a cute little travel vlog soundtrack. How cute! And then y'all can read the songs if you would like. Travel vlogs right now. I love these videos. I'm probably gonna end up watching Exo Kitty, what is going on with my hair, for the rest of the night until I go to sleep. And wait, so bye, and I'll see y'all hopefully soon. I plan on getting my posting schedule like back to normal. I never had a normal posting schedule, but like more often, instead of just leaving for 4 months and then randomly coming back. But even if it's just like spend the day with me vlogs, I'm gonna start posting more often. I really hope so. I plan on it.